appointed Governor of Manipur, Lakshman Prasad Acharya, took oath of office in Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan in Imphal. And Chief Minister N. Biren presents budget estimates for the year 2024-25 with gross expenditure of 34,899 crore rupees included. Hello, you're watching IS English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam giving you the news in detail. Newly appointed Governor of Manipur, Lakshman Prasad Acharya, took oath of office this morning in the Darbar Hall of the Raj Bhavan in Imphal. The oath of the newly appointed governor was administered by the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court, Justice Siddharth Mirdul. Acharya arrived in Imphal yesterday to a warm reception by Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly T.H. Satyabatra Singh, various ministers, MLAs, Chief Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi, Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, DGP Rajiv Singh, and other senior officials at the Raj Bhavan. Acharya has been appointed as the Governor of Assam and has also been given additional charge of the Governor of Manipur. Earlier, he took the oath as Assam Governor in Guwahati yesterday. The oath of the newly appointed governor was administered by the Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court, Vijay Vishnoi, at Srimanta Sankardeva Kalakshetra in the presence of Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, Cabinet Ministers and other dignitaries.
मणिपुर की जनता की सेवा और कल्याण में निरत रहूंगा।
The sixth session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly was commenced from today onwards. On the floor of the House, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, who is also the in charge of finance, has presented budget estimates for the year 2024-2025 with gross expenditure of 34,899 crore rupees. Delivering his budget speech, N. Biren Singh said that the economy of state has been affected by unrest as it reduces revenue collection, increased expenditure on security and relief operations, inflation, difficulties in movement of goods and services, difficulties in implementation of projects and schemes. With returning of normalcy, continuous efforts are given to recover the economy. He further said that the total revenue expenditure is estimated at 20,628 crore rupees and capital outlay is estimated at 8,616 crore rupees. N. Biren also informed that fiscal deficit is estimated at 1,526 crore rupees, which is 3% of GSDP. During 2024-2025, the total outstanding debt as percentage of GSDP is projected at 35%. The total receipts are estimated at 34,815 crore rupees. The revenue receipts are estimated at 27,716 crore rupees and capital receipts at 7,099 crore rupees. The total estimates of states' own tax and non-tax receipts are 2,470 crore rupees and 300 crore rupees respectively. While mentioning the support extended by central government to make up the loss of economy, N. Biren said that central government has been providing huge assistance to make up the revenue loss suffered by the state. The central government approved a special assistance for revenue loss of 500 crore rupees. The central government facilitated the release of 565 crore rupees as externally aided project funding during 2023-2024. This amount has been used to finance various infrastructure works taken up by the government. Above this, Bahrain also received support for security-related expenditures amounting to more than 150 crore rupees. Special relief package of 101.75 crore rupees as one-time assistance for the operation of relief camps for displaced people due to violence was released. Another package of 209.45 crore rupees was also approved for running schemes of relief and rehabilitation of victims affected by ongoing law and order. Scheme for providing temporary shelter to displaced families for 3,000 shelters was approved by central government for 145.18 crore rupees. And Bahrain also highlighted various developmental projects taken up in various departments. Under Divine Scheme, they have received sanctions for the infrastructure development of 2 universities, namely Dhanamanjuri University and Manipur Technical University. The sanction amount for Dhanamanjuri University is 71 crore rupees and for Manipur Technical University is 54 crore rupees. The work will be starting this year. And Bahrain added that the government of India has sanctioned the flood management and border area program to take up flood management works in 10 river basins of the state. Works under this project are progressing well and 220 crore rupees has been allocated for this project.
Speaker sir, democratic country, magoiba, freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of gathering, mayam hena loina khangi. Hui masel ngatan ina yam ka hena heta force sidarga sopan nangba tawbasu yadaba misimina thon bana busu honaba loka public ki moigi haining ba khoning ba su yaringai anti-national oiba, anti-state oiba pot tahondana masu honaba adugi potuni. Madaida akaya toy thoidokwa misimina thugai lokai ba kidogo yaugdabnina koi thoidona madugi FIR pan ma khotpa kidogo di tawgide adubu hujiki hairiba luchingi ba sing adugi makhada koi investigation observation di tawri haina thamjage adugo hujiki amana koigi Kahendaraba haiba tabak locally hai sida quick stand do yam clear ni koi assembly the levi member punamang Manipur gi labor prajapuna ma ko eduga tawrokadori bisi central government nani adu central government dai koi yam panna Manipur gi apun musaktam city without the consent of the people of the Manipur to boyaroi haiba apam dai koi yam panna thamjari aduga kai basunga moi haidana tugai basunga moi haidana dumaina koi warep lai hiram amada haiba dar aduna koi center.
In a significant crackdown, the Manipur police arrested 3 members of the outlawed outfit Pripak Progressive from Chingmairong Maning Laikai, Nepali Basti in Imphal West District. The arrested individuals have been identified as Wangkhem Rohit Singh, aged 25 years, Yensen Bam Napoleon Singh, aged 27 years, and Suraj Ayam, aged 20 years. During the arrest, law enforcement officials seized 3 mobile phones, 1 two-wheeler vehicle, and other incriminating items from the suspects who were reportedly engaged in extortion activities. Parallel to these operations, security forces conducted extensive search operations and area domination exercises across the vulnerable regions of the hill and valley districts. This led to the discovery of a substantial cache of weapons and explosives at the foothill of Tekcham Maningching in Thoubal district. The seized arsenal included 1 sniper rifle with a scope, 1 bolt-action rifle, 1 9mm pistol with a magazine, 6 HE-36 hand grenades, 6 detonators, 1 Baofeng radio set, 36 live rounds, 1 stun grenade, 1 stun cell LR, 1 Stinger cartridge, 1 smoke cell LR, 3 dye marker grenades, 1 tear smoke grenade, and 1 tear gas grenade. These coordinated operations underscore the ongoing efforts of the Manipur police and security forces to combat insurgency and maintain peace and security in the region. The Northeast Frontier Railway is steadily progressing to achieve the target of net zero carbon emission by the year 2030. In an endeavor to further minimize the dependence of fossil fuels, the NF Railway is adopting various steps to generate more and more green energy by installing rooftop solar power plants in its service buildings and other installations under its jurisdiction. To meet the energy demand through renewable energy, the NF Railway has generated 1.45 million units of energy from renewable sources, which has resulted in saving approximately 97.9 lakh rupees between April and June 2024. For non-traction energy consumption on account of improved power factor and rebate on timely payment, among others, the NF Railway has also saved approximately 66.7 lakh rupees between April and June 2024. Before we end, the headlines once again. Newly appointed Governor of Manipur, Lakshman Prasad Acharya, took oath of office in Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan in Imphal. And Chief Minister N. Biren presents budget estimates for the year 2024-2025 with gross expenditure of 34,899 crore rupees. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching IS News.